Hello there! Welcome back to my studio. Today we have something very exciting. We are going to do a collaboration with another artist. Her name is Anita White and her channel is called Love Your Art. We selected a video from her channel. It is number 60 and I'm gonna put it at the top of the screen. And we are using the colors from that video. And she will select a video from my channel and use the colors from my video. The colors of video number 60 from Anita are titanium white, Liquitex Basics graphite, but it is iridescent graphite, and Artist Loft old gold. Also, I want to tell you that today I am using a new white. Instead of using the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, which is your color, I'm using this Creative Inspirations Acrylic Color Titanium White. And I took this idea from Christine Jesek. She's using this now. Our pouring medium is going to be Floetrol, just Floetrol and water. So I'm going to tell you exactly how much I will put of each of these. I like to put my colors in these bottles and I always label them. And what I'm going to do is in here I'm going to put 40 milliliters of paint, 80 milliliters of the Floetrol, and 20 milliliters of the water for the paint. Then in here I am going to prepare my white, and for this Creative Inspiration Titanium White I'm going to put 8 ounces of the titanium white. I'm going to put 13 ounces of the Floetrol and 7 ounces of water. I'm going to mix that real well in here and I will be right back. Okay, I have noticed if you try to remove too much of the paint that you have in your flooded canvas, then when you use the blower, the paint doesn't move. So you have to have this amount of, there was something there that was not moving in here too. So you do have to have this amount of paint in your canvas. So now, and also your painting is going to change a tiny bit because this is continue. It's going to continue after you move you blow your paint. After you do the blowout, the paint is going to continue to move and will change a tiny bit your design. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to remove all the excess paint so that it doesn't change too much. So the canvas has been floated. Let's put the iridescent graphite. And the white. Or to the center. So I was trying to do like a butterfly shape, but it was not too successful, but it's pretty. It is pretty. Let's see, I'm going to use my other gadget, this gadget, and blow this in here. Trying to do something completely different. Okay, let me just grab some of this color in here, and I want to finish this in here. And I also want to finish this side. Let's see what else. You know, you can do whatever you want to with your piece. Okay, I think I like that. I'm gonna remove the excess. I don't have any more of the white, so that mixture gave me for only these two of the small canvases. So I imagine that if you use a large one, you will only, with that mixture, be able to use one, to do one. So I'm gonna mix more of the white and try some different colors. Now before I finish this, I wanna also take a tiny bit of the black color on a small stick. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this graphite color and finish this also in here. You can do whatever you want. Remember, it is your piece. Now, I want this to be pretty. I don't want to change too much because I really like what I have. I really like it. So I am removing all whatever is in the bottom. Scraping is the right word so that it stops moving. So scraping all the paint from the sides on the bottom until it stops moving. And I'm gonna leave it like this, and you know me, I say I'm gonna leave it like this and I don't. I'm gonna just take one more of this gray color and put it in here. Okay, I don't want to lose my design, so I'm doing that so I have some color. Before I leave today, I want to show you this. This was done with several different techniques mixed together. I don't know, it's not per se what somebody is doing in acrylic pouring, so I want to share with you what I did in a future video, but I want to show you the final result. This started because I wanted to create like a soft sky area for an enhanced painting. And this is the one that is darker. I'm going to show you later a lighter one. But I love this one because it has dark and light areas. And it's like it has clouds in the sky, but it's not a cloud pour. And it's done with several techniques. So I will show it to you from beginning to end. I just wanted to show you the pour first, the final product. See, if you're interested, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you get the notification when I post this technique. And this is the other one that is softer and it's going to be enhanced, and I really like it. It was something different. And if you want to see how this was done, it's not a flip cup. I'm telling you that it's not. There's no flip cups or cup pouring in here. So if you want to see how it is done, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I will show you how this was done. Bye bye.